Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you real quick where to go and how to turn on the iPhone backtap feature. To access the backtap menu, open Settings. In here, scroll down and choose Accessibility. Next, select Touch. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see backtap. In here, you'll then see double tap and triple tap. We'll take a look at both of these and set them up. First, we'll start with double tap. Find the feature that you'd like to turn on with a double tap to the back of the iPhone. There's a bunch of choices in here, but personally some of them aren't the best. For instance, some of the shortcuts at the bottom can probably cause an issue. I can imagine a lot of pocket dials with the call shortcut. I'll scroll back up to the top and choose mute for this. This way, if I get into a situation where I need to quickly mute my phone, I can just double tap the back of it. Next, tap back and choose triple tap. Go ahead and choose the feature that works for you in here. When you're finished, go back and close settings and you're good to go. You can then go ahead and test the taps that you've set. And that's how you turn on the iPhone backtap feature. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.